Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your YouTube recap 2024. Let's begin. Before we begin, make sure that your YouTube application is updated to the latest version by either going to your Google Play Store or your other app store. Then once that's done, once you've opened up YouTube, you'll go to the top left corner, then select the compass icon. And you can either choose music, gaming, news, and so on. So if you choose music, you should be able to see your YouTube recap here in the middle. However, if that does not show up, what you can also do is you can go back and then you go to the bottom right corner, then select your profile icon. Now, if you go to the middle of the screen, you're going to see something which says your something recap is here. So for mine, it's gaming. But if you listen to a lot of music, then it's going to show up as music. Your music recap is here. And then if you select it, it's going to show you your recap. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.